working your ass off 5-10 years. You've been paying down your credit cards. And one of the myths is that closing that credit card will improve your credit score, okay? So let's break this down. Credit is 30% of your credit score, all right? The minimum credit score you can have is a 300. The highest credit score you can have is an 850. This is under the FICO model, which is used in 90% of lending decisions, okay? So 30% of 550 points that you can influence, that is 165 points, okay? So with you working your ass off to pay down your credit cards, okay, you finally get it to a zero balance. That means you are maximizing your credit utilization, right? That means you're taking advantage of that 165 points. And then you have the brilliant idea to close the account. You close the account. So what you do is you break yourself off from that 30% that you could maximize. You just shut that down. That means you're no longer maximizing that. That means that's no longer impacting your credit. That means you just missed out on 165 points. You close the account. What happens next? Well, you were up 165 points. You close the account. Guess what happens? Your credit score drops. Okay? So closing your credit cards is a big no-no. To someone, if you want to have great credit, do not close your credit cards if you don't have to. You want to keep them open as long as possible. And especially if you've been working your butt off to pay down that credit card balance, why close it? Now get the benefit, reap the benefit. You've been working your butt off forever. Now get the benefit out of it, okay? And closing your credit score, closing the credit card will not improve your credit, but it will hurt your credit, okay? Now, I think what a lot of people, what they mean to share with you is paying down your credit card will improve your credit score. But a lot of people, they'll pay it down and then they'll close the account. Don't close it. Get the benefit, keep it open, maximize your utilization so that you can maximize your points in that component. Closing your credit cards after you pay them down will not help your credit.